Changing your own oil, an easy way to save money. While it's a point of contention in the community, I use engine flush on this car. Add to an engine at operating temperature and idle for 20 minutes. Having warm oil will also help it drain quicker. Prepare your equipment and pull the dipstick to aid in the outflow of oil. You'll need a spanner or socket for the sump bolt, and I'll always recommend replacing the washer, which is 14mm on this car. On my car I don't need these though because I've installed a cool upgrade. A Fumoto drain from Quick Valve UK, something that makes changing oil 10 times faster. Just remove the safety clip and you're ready to drain the oil. Pull the tab to release the oil. Just remember it comes out the back and not the bottom of the plug. Personally, I'd always use the heavier oils the car is certified to use over the lighter ones. I'd much prefer more managed engine wear over greater fuel economy. Also, instead of splashing out on the Mobil 1, I'd recommend bulk buying from a smaller brand and just replacing your oil every 6 to 12 months depending on how much you drive. Using fully synthetic oil and changing it regularly does an amazing job at cleaning your engine and keeping it healthy. Now you need to close the valve or replace the sump plug with a new washer. Remember to torque it to spec and don't over tighten your sump plug because it can get stuck in there and make your next oil change a nightmare. It's worth cleaning off the area so you can easily spot if there's any new leak. Next we'll need to tackle the oil filter, so get your tool ready. Break it loose with your tool and then you can unscrew it by hand. Make sure you've got your oil pan ready because there's quite a bit of oil still in these filters. Make sure the old rubber O-ring has come off with the old filter as you don't want to double stack it. Also try and put some fresh oil around the new O-ring to make a better seal. These filters can be tightened up by hand. Make them snug but not too tight. Once again, just keeping things tidy with a bit of brake cleaner. Local dumps usually have a place to get rid of your oil, and try to have better aim than me. I normally fill up to about a litre below the capacity of the car and then incrementally check the dipstick to make sure I don't overfill. It's also worth using a funnel to reduce mess when filling up with oil. I'd take the chance just to check underneath to make sure no new leaks have formed. All you have to do now is put the cap back on and you're good to go. Listen to her purr.